There it is.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. 26 years.
Yes, ma'am. There it is.
Oh God, Jesus. Oh. That's not a home. Oh, I don't even know how to talk. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh God. Shout out to Dr. Claire. Glory be to God. Oh my God, I feel like I'm melting. Like, I don't know. Deep breath in, breath out, look up. And breath in, breath out, look up. Take a deep breath in, and on the breath out, let your hips sink. There you go. Deep breath in, and breath out, relax. in, deep breath in, and breath out. There you go. Just like before, deep breath in and breath out, look up. Keep breathing. One more time, deep breath in, breath out. Keep breathing. Good. Feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And just breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. That's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Take a breath in, breath out. Breath out. That's okay. Breath in, breath out. He's trying to mess with my process. I'm feeling discouraged.
You're doing great, Crystal.
Thank you. I mean, really. Breath in, breath out. You can move your hands if you need to. Okay. Okay. Deep breath, breath out. breath. Breath out. Breath in, breath out. Good. Deep breath in, breath out. Deep breath in, breath out. Deep breath in, breath out.
Sorry? Yeah, it was only 2 weeks ago, but we had
Deep breath.
the smell signs. 3:15. Yeah.
Can you reach for your foot? There you go. Deep breath. Breath out. Last one. Deep breath. Breath out. Excellent. You can let go. That was a lot, huh?
Yeah, it felt good though.
Good.
You okay? You scared me. I'm like, wait, let me pull the conversation. Okay.
Deep breath in. Breath out. Deep breath in, breath out. And breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Deep breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. And breath in, breath out. Go ahead and reach for your foot. There you go. Got it. Okay. Deep breath in, breath out. All right. And bend your knees. Okay. Breath in, breath out. Good. go ahead and bring yourself up. Hold your, interlace your fingers behind your head.
Like this?
Yep. Deep breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. Deep breath, breath out, deep breath in, breath out. Drop your hands.
Amazing.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge at DMV Chiropractor. I'm here today with Bria.
Hi guys.
All right. How do you feel after the tie?
Amazing.
Crystal got you all set up, huh?
Crystal got me set up.
Okay.
Shout out to Crystal. Come visit Crystal. And Dr. Clerge too. So
Crystal getting all the shine today, right? You've never been adjusted.
no.
Okay. Did you hear any pops while Crystal was doing the Thai massage?
Yes.
You did. Okay. So that means that certain parts we might try to adjust, you may not hear any popping because they're already cavitated already. Okay.
Okay.
We'll start with your lower back first, and then we'll work our way up. So I want to do 3 adjustments. I want to do one for the lower back, one for the upper, and then one for the neck. Okay. Keep holding onto your arm. Good. This leg, make this leg straight for me that I'm touching. Good. We're gonna bend this leg. All right. What I need you to do is relax.
Okay.
You're gonna hold onto your arm, but your lower body, you're gonna stay relaxed, okay? Just hold on a little bit tighter. There you go. Gonna rack your hip forward. Good. Relax. Deep breath. Out. Good. Okay. Felt a little bit of popping there.
Oh, yes.
How was that? Was that?
Oh God.
Let's go to the other side. All right. There you go. Perfect. All right. Head goes in that groove right here. Gonna position you. There you go. Good. Perfect. Bring your lower body inward a little bit more. There you go. Gonna reach in like this. Keep your arms right here. This leg, make it straight. Bring it out. This way. Good. There you go. Perfect. And I'm gonna rack your body forward. Relax. There it is.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
See, your dad doesn't pop like that. He's too muscular. Muscles are too tight, so we gotta white strap him, you know. Not too bad?
No, that's amazing.
That's our first adjustment, guys.
I try to tell you.
26 years.
Right, never been adjusted, right? We're going to do the upper,
Okay.
and then after that, we're going to do the neck, okay?
Okay.
So for the next one, you know, we're trying to get this to open up a bit, okay?
Okay.
You may hear some popping, you may not. It all depends on how tight you are. Okay, you're gonna actually stand right where I'm standing. All right. Goal is to get this area here. Okay. Take both of your hands, put it on top of my hands, and interlock your fingers for me. Good. Squeeze your elbows together. Keep squeezing on hard, hard. Yes, ma'am. There it is.
Oh God, Jesus.
How was that?
Oh, amazing.
Not too bad. You cannot cross your arm.
Oh God.
Not bad?
No. Not bad at all.
All right. Have a seat.
Okay.
Perfect. That's the first adjustment. Was it painful?
No.
Okay. Because people hear the popping, they think it's painful, right? But it's not.
It's not.
One more adjustment. Ready?
Yes. Oh. Whew, that's better than my nut crack. That's not a home. Oh, I don't even know how to talk. Thank you.
Got a whole lot on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God. Shout out to Dr. Clutch.
Not too bad?
Not bad at all.
Okay, perfect. Good, relax. Good. Just let everything go.
Glory be to God.
You sent her straight to church.
Not too bad?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay. Perfect.
You sure that's the last one? You don't want to do more?
That's it. You don't need it. Get up, move around, let me know how you feel.
Okay. Oh my God, I feel like I'm melting. Like, I don't know, like it's euphoria. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like I could do a ballet. I don't know.
It's like between the Thai massage and the
Yeah.
adjustments and increasing that range of motion. Yeah, you should feel
I
much
feel
better.
light, like,
Yep. Good?
yeah.
All right. So now we're
Thank
gonna
you.
switch positions. So I'm
Okay.
gonna do your dad, and then after that, you're gonna go into the massage room. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay.